Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox zoom in and out. First, let's cover the basics. Begin by checking your mouse or trackpad. Sometimes the issue is with the hardware itself. Make sure your scroll wheel or the W and S keys on your keyboard are responding. A simple restart of the Roblox application, or even your entire computer, can often resolve minor software conflicts and restore normal zoom functionality. Next, let's dive into Roblox's in-game settings. Open the game menu and ensure your camera mode is set to Classic or Follow, as other modes might restrict zoom. You can also try using the plus and minus keys on your keyboard for direct zoom control. It's also wise to check for any background applications that might be hijacking your input, causing unexpected zoom behavior within the game. If the basic steps haven't worked, it's time for some advanced troubleshooting. You can often fix persistent issues by clearing your Roblox cache files found in your computer's app data folder. If that doesn't help, a full reinstallation of Roblox can resolve deeply corrupted game files. Also, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause unexpected graphical and input glitches, including zoom problems. Finally, let's talk about preventing these zoom issues from recurring. It's best to avoid any third-party software that claims to enhance or modify your game experience, as these can often introduce new problems. Always keep your Roblox application updated to the latest version, as developers frequently release patches. Similarly, maintaining an up-to-date operating system ensures the best compatibility and a smoother gaming experience overall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.